Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to take up this topic of celebration or festivities or vacation. Right, we are at the end of the year, so there are lots of celebrations going on like Christmas, New Year is approaching. So, and we have vacations also, right? School, college, even offices also, we take leaves and we plan some vacation. So this is the right time to talk about vacation, festivities or celebration. Now here's the catch. I'm going to tell you how you can talk about it in present tense, past tense and future tense. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the celebration or the festivities or vacation, how to describe all these things, and I'm going to take up all three tenses. First I'm going to speak about present tense, then past tense and then future tense. So in this way we are going to cover grammar portion also. We are going to cover English speaking practice also on this topic. So guys, what you have to do here is you can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can learn how you can speak in present tense, past tense and future tense, and you can also take my idea, you can add your own ideas into it and you can talk about this topic, right? Isn't it interesting? Yes, in this session, if you are going to closely watch this session, you will learn how you can make sentences in present tense, in past tense and in future tense. Simple sentences. So this is really going to help you in taking up any topic and speaking on it in these three tenses. And these are three major tenses which we talk about in every conversation or in every speech. Okay, so this is very basic and very important. Pay attention and you will get to know and you'll be able to master grammar as well. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to know how to practice English speaking and some important parts of grammar also, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So what you have to do is you have to stay tuned, stay connected, watch my entire video to master this skill. So guys, we always have this problem of how to start speaking, right? We know a lot of topics, we know a lot of things are going on. We are preparing for Christmas, we are preparing for vacation, we are preparing for New Year. We have a lot of plans and we want to enjoy and we want to do our best to welcome the New Year. But we don't know how to talk about it in English, right? Are you struggling with the same? Yeah, I know. Don't worry guys, that is why I'm here to talk about this topic today in English. And I'm going to simplify it for you. I'm going to speak it in present tense, past tense and future tense also, so that you get hold of all the three tenses as well in this video. And after watching this video, I am sure you can take up any topic and you can speak on it in present, past and future tense. So let's begin. So let's take up the present tense. For example, suppose this thing is happening. Okay, so I'm going to talk about Christmas, I'm going to talk about New Year, and I'm going to talk about the vacation plan as well. All three combined. Okay, in present tense, there's a Christmas celebration in my society. My daughter is very excited. She's looking forward to get some gifts from Santa Claus. And at the same time, we've got some gifts for her so that she feels that Santa Claus has given her some gift. So parents has to do all these things anyways. So this is what our Christmas plans are. So our society is going to celebrate Christmas and we'll have Santa Claus, we'll have gifts, we'll have a lot of songs and dances here. So this is how we are going to celebrate Christmas. After that, of course, we are going to celebrate New Year. So what our plan is, we're not going anywhere outside this time. We will stay home and we'll have a good, nice barbecue. So we are going to prepare some barbecue and we'll have a feast with our friends and relatives and family. So this is what our plans are for New Year. So this is how we talk about Christmas and New Year celebration in present tense. Now let's come to the past tense. Now what is past tense? Past tense is a tense in which the action has been completed. For example, the New Year is gone, the Christmas is gone, and now we are talking about that. So how do we talk about it in past tense? Like the thing has happened already. So I'm going to tell you that now. We had Christmas celebration in our society. It was amazing and we had a lot of fun. My daughter was very excited to receive the gifts from Santa Claus. She sang the song and danced on the music. We also brought some gifts for her so that she feels that Santa Claus has given her some gift, and she was very happy to see all these things. We had a decent party for New Year. We called our relatives and friends and we had a barbecue at our place. We didn't go anywhere else. We had a barbecue at a place and we really enjoyed that stuff. We had a lot of chit chat, a lot of music, dance, gossips, games, and lots of fun. So we enjoyed our New Year celebration as well. So this is how we talk about the celebration or the festivities in past tense. Past tense is basically the action has been done. Like we use some words like was. In present tense, is used. There is a Christmas celebration in our society. Is present tense. There was a Christmas celebration in our society, which means past tense. Okay, is and was. Okay, so this is what the difference is. Another difference is my daughter was very excited about the party. My daughter is very excited about the party. My daughter was very excited about the party. Past tense. Okay. She was singing and dancing at the party. She sang the song and danced on the music. Right? So dancing, singing, danced and sang. Okay, so this is past and this is present tense. So you are understanding the difference, guys? You have to pick up all these things. These are the differences. These are the words how we use. Okay, dance, danced. Sing, sang. Okay, so this is how we use in words in present tense and past tense. This is the only difference. If you pay attention to things, it will be very much easier for you to understand the difference and use it in your own sentences and come up with your own sentences about it. Okay, she gets gifts from Santa Claus. She got gifts from Santa Claus. She gets gift is present tense. She got gift past tense. Okay, it is fun to be a part of Christmas celebration. It was fun to be a part of Christmas celebration. Is, was again. Okay, so this is how you have to understand, guys, and you have to come up with simple sentences. Again, we are having a New Year party at our place. We had a New Year party at our place. We are having barbecue. We had a barbecue party. We have a barbecue party. Have. We had a barbecue party. Have and had. Okay. We are having New Year party at our home, at our place. We had a New Year party at our place. Are having and had. Having and had. Okay. So this is how we use present and past. These are the words how we use to convey present tense and past tense. You have to pay attention, guys. Just pick up these words. Understand what are the forms of the words which are used here. If you start understanding the forms of the words which are used in present, past and future, it will be much easier for you to come up with sentence and speak about it. Okay, so here I'm giving you many sentences which are there, which you can repeat after me, which you can speak with me, you can shadow with me, you can pause my video if you feel I'm very fast. Pause my video, listen to the whole sentence, which is very short sentence, and you can repeat after me. Okay, and see what are the forms of words or verbs or article or adjectives, adverbs, whatever I'm using. Okay, for present, past and future. And accordingly, come up with more sentences. You can talk about any topic using these words or these sentences. These are very common basic sentences, and you can come up with many different sentences using this form of sentence, using this sentence structure. Okay, I hope you're getting my point and you're understanding what I'm trying to convey. Next one, there was music, barbecue, games, and a lot of fun. We are having barbecue, games, chit-chat, fun at the party. We had barbecue, games, fun at the party. So we are having and we had. Okay, again, present and past. This is how you can use these sentences. So guys, this is how we spoke about our Christmas and New Year celebration in present tense and past tense. Now coming to the future tense, right? So right now I can talk about future, right? Tomorrow is Christmas and then 31st will be New Year. So I'm going to plan everything. I'm going to tell you how we can talk about in future what we are going to do at the Christmas party and New Year party. Okay, now pay attention to the words used here. We are going to have a Christmas party. We are going to have a Christmas party. We are having a Christmas party. We had a Christmas party and we are going to have a Christmas party. So we are going to have, which means like tomorrow we are going to have a Christmas party. Not today, or it has not happened. Okay, yesterday. So we are going to have a Christmas party. The Santa Claus will be giving gifts to the children. The Santa Claus will be giving gifts to the kids or to children. Will be giving gifts to the kids. Will be. Okay. Then there will be a lot of songs and music at the party or at the Christmas party. There will be a lot of song and music at the Christmas party. There will be. Okay. My daughter will have a lot of fun there. My daughter will have a lot of fun there. Will have. Okay. Is going to or will be. Okay. So these are the words which you can use to express any future action. Okay. Coming to the New Year celebration. We are going to have a New Year party at our place. We are going to have. Are going to have. Going to have. Okay, so go ing to have a New Year party at our place. We will have a lot of chit chat, games, music and barbecue at the party. We are going to have. We are going to have. What are we going to have? A lot of fun, music, barbecue and games at the party. Okay. Our friends and family will be there at the party. Our friends and family will be there at the party. Will be there at the party. Okay, which means they will be attending the party. Okay, or our friends and relatives will be attending the party. And they will be. Okay, so these are all actions which we are talking about for the future. Okay, it is going to happen in this way. Okay, our friends and family are going to attend. What we are going to have at the party. How is the party going to be? So these are 3-4 sentences which I have just spoken about the party, how we are going to have it. Okay, so I have used present tense also. I have used past tense. I have used future tense. What you can do for your convenience is, guys, I have just spoken 4 sentences or 5 sentences maximum. You can start noting it down. You can write a column present and you can write it down what I've spoken about present sentences, present tense sentences about this. Past tense, write it down. 3-4 sentences are there, I guess, maximum 5. In future tense also write those sentences. And then compare and see what is the difference, what are the forms which are used, and try coming up with more such sentences. You also come up with an imaginary party about Christmas or New Year or anything else, probably housewarming or any wedding function or engagement ceremony or anything else, and start making sentences using these forms in present, past and future tense and see how it goes. Let me know if you face any difficulty, write in the comment section so that I can take up that in my next video or next session. Okay. I think I've made things very easy for you to understand and relate to and come up with new sentences as well. Try using this method and start making new sentences as well. And you can repeat after me, you can speak with me, you can shadow with me, you can bring your own ideas and you can speak about it also in the same way. See what all forms I have used in present, past and future tense. And you can start making new sentences on your own using this sentence structure. So here you can start making your own sentences also. You can start speaking on any topic in English as well. So this session you will learn two things: how to make new sentences on your own in present, past and future tense, and how to talk about any topic in English. Okay, start practicing English speaking in this way, guys. I'm going to come up with many sessions now on these lines so that it will help you to start speaking in English, start making new sentences in English, start speaking in English on any topic in present, past and future tense. Okay, to simplify your life. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.